Hi all, welcome to our channel Niche Products. Last week we have covered on the remote tools and collaboration tools along with security products. Today also we are going to continue the same with some of the productivity tools, especially on the Google Chrome extensions. Hope 70% of the people would be using Chrome and the Microsoft Edge, right? So these two are most popular web browsers, right? And any person would be using these two browsers, and other browsers are also available. It is not that we don't have any other browsers, but most of the people would be using these two browsers. And with these two browsers, how we can use the productivity of the tools, using these tools, by how can we increase the productivity, especially by using Google Chrome extensions and Microsoft Edge Chrome extension, Edge extensions, right? So these two are basically different browsers which are available for anyone in mobile or even desktops. And so I would try to explain some of the very popular extensions and which are very useful for everyone. When you are working from especially to increase your productivity. Especially one key Chrome extensions are Grammarly, which while writing your mails for your different professional services or business related things, it automatically corrects your grammar and even spell checks while writing the mails, which is very friendly and helps you rectify all the mistakes while sending the mails. And also it's more or less free. That is one thing which is very useful. And second Chrome extension I feel to me is stay focused. When you're working from home and you would be having so many work, right? So you don't want to get distracted from the work. So with that, while browsing, you might be seeing so many other things and social channels, so you don't want to get distracted. So you can block some of these sites by enabling that Chrome extension for some time, and automatically disables after a particular point of time. So it also helps you to close some of the unwanted websites which are not useful for your family, for your kids, and also these are very good Chrome extensions. So, and there are some more Google Chrome remote desktop extension where you can also take the control of the other person's computer, and do some of the activity. If you want to connect remotely and want to take the control of the other person computer using the Google remote desktop computer and extension. And there is one more extension is on this tab snooze, and a couple of some more extensions I would be sharing you right now, so which would be useful for your productivity tools. So please check through some of these tools, and which may be helpful for your business as well as the students and freelancers, and even many other business owners. So it improves a lot of time in saving your time, and whenever it is not required, you can always switch off these Chrome extensions and switch on whenever is needed. So it's very useful. Just take a look at once. Okay, thank you.
We have discussed that Chrome extensions, how it would be useful for businesses, students, and everyone. So I would explain in detail about some of the Chrome extensions and Microsoft Edge extensions. So I have listed down some good extensions. Grade Suspender is one of the Chrome extension. Keeps lots of open tabs without slowing down your computer. So basically, when I start working, so right, I mean, I keep on opening so many tabs, and I don't close sometimes. I mean, it automatically slow down or kills your time, as well as the battery life also decreases for your computer. So it is always better to minimize as low as your tabs. At the same time, if you use this great suspender one, it would be good as well. Grammarly is one of the good uh, Chrome extension which is very used for grammatical mistakes as well as sentence formations like MS Word documents and presentations. And if you're writing for a business mails or professional mails to some of the key persons for business deals and all, so it is always good to have this extension free version at least, so that you can miss some of the mistakes if you while sending it in mails. And LastPass is one of the very good Chrome extension which I use, because I have 30 to 40 logins, user ID, password which I can't remember, and I cannot use the same user ID and password everywhere, right? So for my personal computer, at least I'll have these save and autofill logins. Some in some key applications which I would be using this Chrome extension, and it saves a lot of time in resetting the passwords and all those things. And the next one is Pocket. It saves web pages to read at a later time. So basically, if I want to specifically use this Chrome extension, and while browsing, I would be going to different pages. I don't have time at this point of time while working, and I want to save it later. Like in browser, you'll have you can save a website, right? In the same way, in the Pocket also you can save all these pages in the Google which you searched, that can be saved at a later point of time where you want to retrieve these websites or information which you would like to refer to. Otherwise you might miss some important information which you have to browse everything in the Google. Checker Place is basically for Google Drive, and Chrome Remote Desktop is one very good Chrome extension. And when you have multiple devices, when you are going remote travel or somewhere which you want to quickly access your desktop or remote or laptop using remotely, when someone is there to help you out, I mean, so you can always connect from your phone and access your personal laptop or desktop, and access that information which is very critical for you at that particular point of time. At the same time, you can also help other one person by taking the control of another computer and help that way as well. So this is one more toggle Chrome extension which is saves tracks the time of you spend on which tasks on a daily. If you are spending some tasks on specific work related, if you are doing some specific tasks on your personal related, and if you want to track multiple detail level tasks like on social platforms, how much you are spending, how much work you are spending, and if you want to track your time for a specific student you are giving lesson, and if you want to have free, if you are a freelancer, how much work you are doing and what kind of tasks you are doing and all those things, right? So these things you can have used this Chrome extension. Stay Focused is one more good extension, and basically blocks some of the websites which you don't want to have it in while you work, or else if you want your kids don't want to see these specific websites during their classes and all, you can restrict them those websites by blocking those websites and the Chrome things or Microsoft Edge extensions. So you can block those sites so that they won't be able to open those websites when you are away from your home or some other place. And that is one good part. Todoist is save pages as tasks, and PI reminder is one more good Chrome extension is add tasks and reminders. If you have a good set of people, friends, family, and you can't remind all their birthdays and functions and all those things, you can have these tasks and reminders which is saved and set as reminders to multiple devices at a time. So which is also very good. And Tab Wrangler is one more Chrome extension or Edge extension. Automatically closes inactive tabs. Basically, if you are using 30 40 tabs when you're in a browser, and you don't want to, you are not using for quite some time, and it slows down the computer, but it automatically closes inactive tabs after a certain period of time, and can reopen when required also. So Peek is one more Chrome extension which is very good for reviewing documents on a mouse over, and Buffer is one more good Chrome extension which is very useful for social media posts. When you want to post social media content at a time, you can use that social media content as like Facebook, Twitter, and all those things, like for LinkedIn, so Instagram, Twitter, and all these things at a time. And you can schedule if you have time today, and you create some posts and schedule it at a later point of time. So, but that is not free version. It is only for certain period of 14 days trial period, and you can always go for pro version if you are specifically looking for business promotions and social networking sites for especially digital e-commerce people who are selling products online. So that is a very good Chrome extension which is very useful. If you see here, Grammarly I have used, and Peak, and this is Chrome Remote Desktop, and Buffer is social platforms, LastPass, and Pocket, and so this is Snooze, and this is Tab Wrangler, closes automatically, and To Do tasks, all those things. So these are all different extensions which I have used, and so if you want to unpin any extension, it would be removing from this here. And if you don't want to unpin any all the extensions, you can unpin like this, and whichever is required, you can use particular extensions. For suppose I need only these three, Stay Focused, Grammarly, and LastPass. So rest all I would be using very little bit. Okay. So at the same time, if you go for Grammarly manage extensions here, you can specifically don't want to use at a particular place. You can switch off. I mean, you can on and off like this, and even it won't work. So that whenever is required, you go to that particular this thing. And if you want to block any particular websites, you can block particular websites here. Stay focused at a certain period of time. You can restrict all these websites in this particular browser, and give the children or anyone who you want to restrict. So these websites can be restricted here in the Microsoft Edges as well as Chrome extensions. Okay. So like this, you can have multiple Chrome extensions. So which is very useful for people and business people and everyone. So I would request you to explore so many extensions which are available, and that helps you boost your productivity of the work, and as at the same, because time is more precious. Time, I mean, we can save a lot of time by using some of the excellent tools which are already provided for free. So I would request everyone to like, share, and comment this post if you really like it, and please follow me, and please follow my channel. So thanks a lot for your time taking to listen this. Thank you.